If you have an elder at home or have parents somewhere in India, this video is for you. Each of us have heard of stories of how elders in the city needed help in the current COVID times and struggled. Some from within the country, some from across the world. I'm sure each one of you have either lost on your own or know somebody who has lost a very dear friend or dear elder to COVID. So while everything is negative in COVID, is there something positive that we can emerge from the COVID discussions? Something we can truly call as COVID positive? As we emerge from the second surge in Delhi over the last 45 days, and Mumbai before that, and some of our cities are getting ready for some second and some third wave. We are right now in the middle of a very unique opportunity, an opportunity so big and so intense that the third wave, if it is coming, it can be avoided or at least shielded for our dear elders. I have been working in the elder care space for over a decade now, and I am the CEO and co-founder of Imoha Elder Care. We take care of more than 3,500 elders across the country. Our members are, in true sense, very safe, secure, healthy and energized elders. They are well protected as being part of the Imoha membership. So something beautiful happened while we were seeing all the negative news around COVID. And that something is you. So while we've been working in Imoha, we got to know so many stories of how you came forward to help your elder in the neighborhood. You came forward when auntie and uncle needed the medicine, needed the hospitalization, and help uncle and auntie with food and small little things when they were COVID positive. I don't know whether uncle, auntie survived. I don't know whether, they are fine. But I can tell you that in what you did, you made your country proud. You proved that the new India, which you and me are a part of, will not accept boundaries and divisions when it comes to our elders. You proved that we are humans first and everything second. You also proved that as youth of this country, we will not tolerate that elders who are the foundation of the society will get ignored. And that when it comes to any kind of duty, you will come forward and support us. So today I have an appeal as somebody who's working in the elder care field for more than a year, more than a decade, to every youngster out there, to every youngster who's a proud Indian, a proud son, a proud daughter, and willing to do anything for their parents or grandparents. I have an appeal to reset the clock when it comes to how we as a society take care of our elders. I invite you to a new India where post-COVID there is no elder who is lonely, there is no elder who is helpless, there is no elder who is unsafe, and no elder who is sad. Because you have taken it upon yourself that Sharma uncle, Geeta auntie, who stay next to your house, are now going to be your mom, your dad, your dadu, your nani, and will remain so for the rest of your life. And this is a rishta that is built with mohabbat, जो हम लोग कहते हैं इमोहा में. Because you have made a commitment that every day at 7:25 p.m. something that we are calling the elder hour, 7:25 p.m. you will not just call your own parents because that is all they want. They just want that call from you. You will also call Sharma uncle and Geeta auntie because you care. COVID positive brought all of you together. COVID positive brought the youth and the elder together in our neighborhoods. It made this beauty happen. It made us more human, more humane. So come, let's join together. Let's join 1 million souls together before a third wave happens. And you and me can do it and move from what we call as social distancing to social bonding. So please sign up. Join us as we together can make the new India protect its elders. Thank you.